Okay guys, BMW 745 Li, 4.4 liter. You're trying to get the alternator bracket seal. You're trying to get the alternator bracket off. This is the secret you need to know. You got this guy, you got a big extension. I don't have my swivel joint on there, but you're gonna need a swivel joint. You're gonna make sure to have this paneling exposed. You're gonna come in, you gotta take your wheel off, and you're gonna access like this. Okay. Try to show you with some light. Okay, there it is. You see that? See that bolt to the top left there? That's one of them. Okay, I've got a water-cooled edition. So that's what you're trying to get to. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it is tough to get to, but this tool made it pretty easy. Now I have a swivel unit and the hex female to fit on there, and there is still room even with the engine hoist. And what the engine hoist does is the engine hoist lets you reach down alongside the engine to get the bolt on the back of the power steering pump. Okay. So that's the need to know.